Hey there, fitness lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve your health and wellness goals. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking for: how to lose belly fat at home. Get ready to say goodbye to that stubborn belly fat with these 6 easy exercises. Let's jump right in. Exercise number 1, crunches. Our first exercise is the classic crunch. Lie down on your back, bend your knees, and place your hands behind your head. Engage your core and lift your upper body towards your knees, exhaling as you crunch. Repeat this movement for 15 reps, focusing on contracting those abdominal muscles. Exercise number 2, plank. Next up, we have the plank. Get into a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower down onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engaging your core and glutes. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, feeling the burn in your abs. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers. Time to get that heart rate up with mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position, then alternate bringing your knees towards your chest, as if you're climbing a mountain. Keep your core tight and maintain a steady pace. Aim for 20 reps on each leg, feeling those abs working hard. Exercise number 4, Russian twists. Let's target those obliques with Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground. Hold your hands together in front of you and twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor on each side. Aim for 20 twists, feeling those side muscles getting stronger. Exercise number 5, bicycle crunches. Get ready for bicycle crunches, a fantastic exercise for your entire core. Lie on your back, lift your legs off the ground, and bring your opposite elbow to the opposite knee, twisting your torso. Keep alternating sides in a cycling motion, aiming for 20 reps on each side. Feel those abs burning. Exercise number 6, leg raises. Last but not least, we have leg raises to target your lower abs. Lie flat on your back, place your hands by your sides, and lift your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Slowly lower them back down without touching the ground and repeat for 15 reps. Feel the burn in those lower abs. And there you have it, 6 easy exercises to help you lose belly fat right in the comfort of your own home. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. Combine them with a balanced diet, and you'll be on your way to a toned tummy in no time. Now here's where things get interesting. We want to hear from you. Which exercise are you most excited to try? Drop a comment down below and let us know. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on a mission to lose belly fat. But wait, there's more. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest fitness tips and workouts. We're here to support you on your journey to a healthier you. See you in our next video.